Hello everyone, good morning. How the week has been so far. So today I'm going to discuss about PI planning. So before we go ahead, this channel where we will be discussing about product management, quality assurance, and also career tips in corporate world. So if you're interested, please do like this video and comment below what should be the next topics to be discussed. So today I'm going to discuss about PI planning. All right. So what is PI planning? Program increment. So that means we are as a team coming in into the call, and where we have all the other stakeholders joining us and discussing about what are their expectation, and also understanding the product vision, roadmap, and business people telling about what they are expecting, which is basically the business context, and then the product manager who will be telling about what are the next very high 10 top 10 features to be worked on, and the team will start refining based on the allocation of feature to their team. All right. So this is once in every 8 to 12 weeks we will have this PI planning based on your organization release plans, and also based on your organization safe strategies and the decisions made. Every 8 to 12 weeks we will have this call where everybody from the art will join this call, and we will conduct this PI planning. So it is not just a 1 day call, it is generally minimum 2 to 3 days of call. Okay, what will happen? What is the use of this PI planning? So, as I mentioned, we are going to discuss about what is business expecting, what is the product management team decided, what should be the work taken up. So, this is basically like we are all getting aligned to understand what are the expectation from the other stakeholders, and also this will help us in understanding what are the features that has got assigned to us for this particular next 3 months or next 8 weeks of time. What is the work that we are going to work upon? Okay, so this call help us in the alignment. The second thing is basically like this will help us deciding how much of work we can take up in particular feature, what is pending from my previous, we need to get that finished, what is the priority of it, and what is the priority of the newly assigned features. Based on that, we can actually refine and come up with break down our stories, the different scenarios, drill down to what is the user journey for it, and come up with a user story. So this will help us, this call will help us in deciding the priority of it, and also as a team we will be able to drill down to what is our capacity, how much of work we can finish in that particular feature. That will be the second thing that we will be doing. And the third thing, because the business teams are available, they will be evaluating the work that we have planned for the next 8 weeks. If they think that we could have tried something different, or they expected the other features to be taken, that all discussions can happen in this call. So since all the teams are available, we will be able to do all this alignment for the next 3 months, since we have everybody in the call. Now, what will happen in this call? So basically, once the PI planning calls initiates, it will be starting with the business context. What are the top 10 features, and then all the teams will break out to their respective scrum team breakout rooms. Okay, and now you will be known that what are the features that you will be working upon. So we will be start working upon it, and we'll get to know from our product management or from the business what is the priority to them. Based on that, we will start to refine our stories, understand the feature. If we have any questions to understand from business rules or from any team, data team, compliance, we can get in touch with them, get to understand that, and based on that we'll come up with what are the risks that we see, what are our dependencies, and how much time will it take for us to finish. These all things will be evaluated in this call. So that will be the fourth thing. Fifth thing is basically like the dependency. As I mentioned, we'll come to know who are our dependent teams. So since our dependent teams will also be part of these calls, we can let them know that this is our dependency. For us to finish this work, we need your support, and they will be evaluating that and coming up with their plan, and we can accordingly align it. So defining of the dependency, raising the risk, and finally coming with our PI objective, which we will be showcasing in the final review call, and we'll get the business value for the objective that we have mentioned. There are many other steps involved, but this is on a high level, the uses of why we conduct this PM planning and the purpose of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is so, please comment below what are the next topics you would like to have in this regard. Thank you everyone. Hope to have you all seeing in my next video. Thank you.